What's up, YouTube? Listen, man, I'm tapping in real quick. I stopped home for just a second, but I'm about to be hitting the road. I will see all you guys in LA this weekend. But check it out, guys. Do me a favor. I got a jam-packed video for you guys. So please make sure you like and subscribe. Hope this video get at least 1,000 likes. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay, guys, check it out. We have a very huge day tomorrow in terms of news, okay? And so these things are what you need to know because they will make some moves happen in pre-market and into market open, okay? So I want you guys to be fully aware, educated, and informed so you can make the best decisions on your journey. Kicking it off at 8:30, you have continuing jobless claims, okay? They'll look to see what that number is, and that could cause some volatility in the market, okay? Be mindful of that. All of this stuff, fortunately, guys, comes out before market open. So no matter what it does, if it gives us a boost, if it crashes the market, you will be able to set up your plan based on these results, okay? Also at 8:30, you have core PCE, the price index year over year, that will be out. You will have initial jobless claims also as well, okay? And so guys, with between PCE year over year, PCE month over month, continuing jobless claims, as well as initial jobless claims, that's a lot of news that will cause some volatility. So again, brace for it. Don't worry too much about it. This thing comes down to respecting the levels, knowing your levels, and most importantly, crushing the levels, okay? Just want to put that on you guys because we will be getting to it. We will be getting after it no matter what these reports come out and say, okay? When you know how to read a chart, guys, it's a game changer, all right? You just simply make the adjustments on where the stocks land and you go to work from there, okay? But without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay, guys, I'm kicking it off with the SPY. Right now, ticker symbol SPY, otherwise known as the S&P 500, is sitting at 455 flat in after hours, okay? But check this out, guys. This morning, it gapped all the way up here to 458, okay? It gapped and ran to 458.15 at where it closed at the high. Okay, this was around 9:55, but at that time, it went back, guys, to fill the gap that it created on the gap up. Check this out, from 9:55 all the way down here to 10:25, we came back $2 to 456 from 458. Then from 10:25, we kind of made a base, okay, and then we fell even further to 455 at 11:35. We bounced off of that level of support back to 456. That was the same base that I just told you we came to. Always remember these things. There are no coincidences in the market, okay? That base ended up rolling over. And then, guys, at 2:20, we end up falling back to 455. And then before the day finished out, we came all the way back down here to 454, 453 level. That still is holding as support. Although we gapped up and then we came back and filled the gap. Remember, gaps are going to be filled same day, end of day, or next day, okay? Sometimes it could take longer than that, but in today's example, it was filled the same day. It gapped up, and then it came all the way back down to close the gap it created. But with that being said, guess what? Even though it did all that, the stock basically went nowhere. Look at this. We're flat on the day. We only down 31 cents. And check this out. 453 still held as support with all the jucking and jiving that they did, okay? Guys, it's so important that you respect the levels, but more importantly, you know your levels, okay? No matter all the jostling they did, it's still 453 is support. And what I teach you guys earlier this week for this upcoming week, if that level is lost, it's only coming to 451, okay? Understand that things, make your plan around those things. And then, guys, guess what? If your support don't break, you buy a call at support, and guess what? Ride it back up to the upside, because then we'll recapture 455, 456, and then check this out. 458 will be right back in play just like that, okay? That's how the game go, but it's high level chess, You need lots of patience to master this stuff, okay? Check this one out. Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA, sitting at 245.06 at the time of this, did the same exact thing, okay? This is why I teach you guys the levels every single day so that you know that they are renewed and fresh daily, okay? Tesla was down 1% on the day, or a little bit over $2.50. But check this out. At 9:30, they already was gapped up, and then they went even higher to 252. Levels I called out in Discord this morning. Shout out to anybody who took advantage of that. But at resistance, which was 252, which I told you guys this morning, it fell from 10 all the way down to 11:30, from 252 down to 245. That was a $7 drop, okay? Bounced up temporarily back to 248, so we couldn't recapture 250, okay? So make a note of this, guys. 248, 250 will be resistance on tomorrow, but then we fell from there all the way down to 243. So guys, you got 243 as support. Below that, you got 240 as support, okay? And then the same levels you had previous days, 233 and 230, okay? Understand these things, guys, because the minute it begins to click, the minute your life will change, okay? Because all of a sudden you're going to be like, man, I finally get it. I finally see what's going on, okay? Check this one out, guys. AMD, ticker symbol on this one is AMD, sitting at 124.07. This one was up nearly 1.5% on the day. This one jumped up 9:30, ran all the way up here from 123 all the way to 125. I love to see it, but look at after it got up here, look at what it formed. 9:45 one top, and then at 11 the second top, and that started to move down. Boom, down here at 124, okay? And then we bounced a little bit, and then we lost 124 and came back to 123.50, okay? Make a note of these things, guys. But shout out to the money team. This was one of our plays for this week that we absolutely knocked it out the park, like I told you we would. Listen, guys, when you understand this at the level that we do around here, it don't matter what the market do. If you know the levels, if you know where to get in at, if you know where to get out at, guys, you can make a killing. That's why I'm looking forward to 2024 to have a full 12 months with some of you guys and walk you guys through a full year so you can see how we get down, you can see how we get busy, and you can see how we crush the market every single day, 365 days in a row, okay? And so when you guys are able to do that, you're able to start making a plan for yourself. You know what? I can make 20,000 a year trading. I can make 20,000 in a month trading, listening to the teachings, listening and understanding the levels. Guys, this stuff is possible, okay? I do it every day. I've been doing it at a high level for a very, very long time. You guys just got to remember to trust the process, keep showing up every day, keep putting in the work, okay? But listen, man, just want to put a few of these stocks on your radar because, guys, nevertheless, check this out. SoFi, ticker symbol SOFI, sitting at 738. This one was flat on the day, but it made a high of 771. It's trying to make its way back to $8. It's a lot going on in the world. It's a lot going on economically. It's a lot going on in the markets, okay? So again, keep your eye on this one. Remember to manage your risk. Remember to make sure you're actively investing, guys, and actively managing your portfolio. That simply means you need to be dollar cost averaging. You need to be locking in profit. You need to be averaging down. You need to be getting your 100 shares. You need to be locking in profit. You guys are somewhere different on your unique journey, okay? Nevertheless, all of you have work to do with this play, Nvidia, Tesla, Palantir, so on and so forth, okay? But at the end of the day, all of this comes down to making sure you're managing your risks. Okay, you're locking in profit when you're up and you're stopping out before you go too low, okay? Unless you know you got a long-term 1 to 3 year game plan for your stock, okay? With that being said, man, just want to tap in with you guys, let you all know I'm headed back out again. I just stopped home for literally a couple hours. I'm headed to the airport. Momentarily, I'm gonna probably make one more video I'm gonna really be at the airport, but I'm gonna put it out as if I'm still here. Okay, and then nevertheless, guys, I'll see you all that will be in attendance in downtown LA on Friday and Saturday night. Is going down. I'm looking forward to seeing you guys, loving on you guys, and celebrating with you guys. Okay, but with that being said, guys, listen, we make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.